Can't decide? Here's 5 steps to help you decide the rational way. Step number 1. Draw a table with 4 columns and at least 5 rows. On the first row, write the headings: criteria, weight, couple, and friend. On the first column, write your criteria for consideration or evaluation depending on what you value as important, such as attractive personality, wit and humor, goodness and respect for family, financial potential, intensity of your feelings. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least important and 10 being the most important to you, rate each criterion in column 2. Illustration. To me, attractiveness of personality is not really important, so I give a 5, wit and humor, now that is important to me, a 10, goodness and respect for family, a 10, financial potential, a 7, intensity of feelings, a 9. Step number 2. Again, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, and 10 being the highest, rate that person as a couple material based on each the criterion, and enter it in column 3. Repeat the same procedure, but this time as a friend, and enter your answers in column 4. Illustration. As a couple material, this person deserves a 7 for personality. How would I feel waking up next to this person every morning? 7 for wit and humor. Would this person's wit make us through the difficult times and moments of crisis? 8 for goodness. Will this person treat me well, respect and accept my family? 7 for financial. Can this person support/help me and the future family financially? And 9 for love feelings. Am I so attracted to this person? Can this person complete me? As a friend material, I rate this person, 8 for personality, looks normal, friendly enough, 8 for wit, makes sense in conversations, and enjoyable company, 6 for financial potential. What do I care if this person has great ambitions to be rich? 6 for goodness and family relations. Well, he's okay, and 7 for friendship feelings. I long to be more than friends, but if not, can we still be friends? Step number 3. Multiply your answers on columns number 2 and 3, and write the answer in column 3. Be sure to X out the original rating there. Repeat the procedure for columns number 2 and 4, write the answer in column 4. Cross out the original rating. Step number 4. Add the scores in columns 3. Also, in column 4. The highest rating gets your attention. Step number 5. Sleep on it. Pray for guidance. Look out for affirmations or contradictions. Pray some more. Make a final decision. Take action. If choosing among 3 or 4 alternatives, just add the corresponding columns and rows for additional criteria. You may apply this process to any decision you want to make, be it minor or even major life decision. Good luck!